PeaRoy.
Well, hey there, Mr. Rick. Hey, where you been? You have a good time?
Yeah, we had a good time. Yeah, well, you know, you can only see so much caves and, I mean, we saw a lot of, you know, hills and mountains and looked like the Grand Canyon, but we wasn't at the Grand Canyon. You know?
Well,
but it was nice.
Yeah, it sounds nice. Sounds real nice.
I can't remember. We went to the park that had all the arches in it and all that kind of stuff. That was in Utah. And we went to area, was it 51?
Yeah. Rockwell.
That was funny. Everything was, you know, looked like it's from outer space in that city. Everything, even the McDonald's was. It's pretty cool. So what'd you do?
Well, I just been, you know, staying here looking around, looking for stuff, you know.
Okay. All right, well that's good. At least you did that.
Yeah, I did all right. You heard the good joke?
Appreciate it. Yeah, I've heard
Well,
jokes. You want to hear one? You know, just remind everybody else that these are dad jokes, all right? Dad, D-A-D, dad jokes.
Yeah.
So you know what a cat's favorite color is?
No, I don't know.
Purple.
Purple. Purple. Okay. All right then.
I know it's terrible.
Well, I got one. Why don't cows have any money?
I don't know why.
Well, 'cause the farmer milks them dry.
Milk them dry.
That's right.
Yeah, well, that makes sense. So, what do you call a sleeping bull?
I don't know. What?
A bulldozer.
A bulldozer. I get it. I get it. Look here.
That's where these stupid. All right, let's hear yours.
I know that's horrible. All right. Why did the scarecrow get an award? 'Cause he was outstanding in his field.
That's pretty stupid. I don't know if anybody's gonna laugh at that, but I get it.
Well,
I get it.
I thought it was.
All right, well look here. Tell me your long joke.
You want to hear my long joke? All right. Out there was this fella, and he was walking around, and he was trying to find a place to park. He wasn't walking around; he was driving around trying to find a place to park. He kind of put out with it, and he said, "Lord, if you'll show me a place to park here."
We went through that in Amarillo, Texas.
Oh yeah.
We did the same thing. I know what he's talking about.
Oh, it's terrible. Lord, if you'll find me a place to park here, I'll quit drinking and running around. And so all of a sudden the clouds went away, the sun come down, and it showed him a place there, and he looked up there and said, "Hey Lord, forget about it, I done found me a place."
That's so typical, ain't it? That reminds me of some other jokes. I'll have to tell you them later. All right, well, one time there was this lady, and she was walking downtown, and she went by a pet store.
Pet store.
Well, there was a parrot sitting on a perch on the outside of the store.
Okay.
So she goes walking by, and the parrot goes, "Bark! You sure are an ugly woman."
Told the woman that. Oh, Lord.
She turns around and I can't believe this.
Yeah.
I can't believe. So she stomped on off, and went and did her shopping. She come back by the same store.
Same store.
And old parrot goes, "Bark! Whew, you are an ugly woman." So she's mad this time.
Yeah.
She puts her groceries down on the ground. She goes inside. She finds the manager.
Oh.
And she said, "Look here, I'm offended.
Every
time I walk by this store, that parrot, he says, 'What? You're an ugly woman.'" She said, "I'll tell you what. If that parrot does that again, I'm gonna bring my shotgun, blow that thing away, and I'm gonna sue this pet store for everything. It better not say that one more time."
My.
So the lady left. She made a point of coming by the next day. You know, she goes walking by, and that old parrot looks at her. The lady says, "Yeah." Parrot goes, "You know."
You know you ugly.
You know.
Right there's funny, Mr. Rick.
Oh man.
Man.
It's good to be home.
Yeah, I'm glad
I'll see
you're
you
home.
later, PeaRoy.
Yeah, I'm glad you're home, Mr. Rick. I know it's time to go to work. I enjoyed it, man. You know.